You got bad credit. You just got out of prison. You're looking to get approved. Everybody with bad credit buys from. Get into the habit of doing that, right? It's good. Make big promises to people. Don't worry about it. We way overthink things. Way overthink things. A lot of people, a ton of people, when they tell you the price is too high, when they tell you they want a good deal, they are just sport negotiating. They're not really negotiating. They're just trying to what? They're just trying to win. They're just messing with you. If you got somebody on a $60,000 vehicle and they're like, man, Down the Road Motors has you beat by $500, your energy and your ability to sell the appointment means way more than the $500. And on the showroom, the internet, or phone, these people, before they come in, or before they call you, or before they submit an internet lead, they've done 10 or 15 hours worth of research. They're about this close. So when you got them on the phone, they're just messing with you a lot of times. You guys agree with that? Most people just want to win, so you just got to let them win. If you're going to buy on a price, you're going to buy it from good. You're going to buy it from everybody looking for the best price buys from. You called the right place. If you owe way too much on your car and you have negative equity, you should come to everybody with negative equity comes here. If anyone's going to be able to get this figured out, it's going to be you got bad credit, you just got out of prison, you're looking to get approved. Everybody with bad credit buys from. Get into the habit of doing that, right? It's good. I set them up, you knock them down. There you go. Just get into the habit of just making big promises. Write this down, please. Make big promises to people. Don't worry about it. We way overthink things. Way overthink things.